Oh, now it's really bright. Oh.
State your name.
My name? Oh, Luckl-Duckl bird.
Okay, Luckl-Duckl bird.
Oh, but you could just call me Luckl.
Luckl, we've taken you and your feathered friends and run you through our database. One of you came up red flagged.
Look, I'm not even supposed to be talking to you. You're human. Not that I'm speciest or anything. It's just against our bird code, so tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, and all that junk. Have to do that for profiling purposes.
Do you know a speck, Speckleton?
Speck?
Do you?
Well, don't ask me in that tone.
Do you know a speck?
Now I'll be a little more cooperative.
We believe that this speck is a secret weapon you birds are planning to use in a possible war against the humans.
Speck's not a secret weapon. He's just a pyromaniac.
Then explain this. The police force, firefighters, and even the CIA have been called to Jaybird Street for unexplained explosions, fires, and gunshots!
Gunshots? Speck would never play with guns. It's a bad influence on children. You're thinking of cannons. Yes, cannons.
This little yellow demon is planning something to wipe out the entire human race! What is he planning?
Well, he did make dinner plans with Kesmo and Dylan.
Answer my question!
Whatever you're trying to get out of me, I'm not budging. Due to the fact that I have no idea what's going on, I keep things shut.
We have ways of making you talk.
Really? I'd like to see what it is that you have. Just put the drill down.
Oh, no. The leg on the table's loose.
Oh. What a very convenient time to try and fix it!
I see why you would have freaked out.
I judge you for so many reasons.